Dalawang interpretation ng nagkakaroon. Very right. Yan. Sir, ano ba yun? Oo, ayun eh. Tulas lang. Unahin mo muna kung index. Ito lock yan. Yan. Ngipin na yung tip. Huwag yun kasi siyempre. Ano lang yan. Walang ngipin ha. Yung tip. Una ka ba ito? Una ka. Tapos lang pa naman yung mating. Wala pa ka lang sa lupa. Yung tapos the patient have conscious and gag reflex. Nabilawan ng computer. May remove the Good, 90. Huwag mawakan yung dulo ha. Yes sir. 90 go. Below the 90 degrees. Inserting the ultra. Ito pa rin yan. Ganun din. Right. And then the patient have gag reflex. Nabilawan na. May remove the ultra. Ang conscious o kaya ang conscious. Sabi, parang totoo, kinaangkat na rin. Totoo pa rin. Ako'y nalungguan kay Jim. Oo, ganun nga yun. Meron plastic. Tuyo ako nalungguan. Kaya nga, ayun ako nalungguan. Sakit na. Kaya nga sir, hindi yun ba? Sige tayo. Check ng responsiveness ni patient. Hey, are you okay? Then negative. Sir, lang ano ko, marapatan ko lang yung check ng chest rub, surgeon. Then pwede rin sa may eyebrow, pwede rin sa may muscle ng neck, pwede rin tayo mag-check speech. Then negative response, the patient has no gag reflex. Then indication ng ano natin, OPA, unconscious patient, then no gag reflex. Contraindication ng ating OPA is conscious patient, then with gag reflex. Then I will insert the OPA as I insert the sighting OPA is from corner of the mouth up to earlobe and top to patient. Then I will insert the OPA in 180 degrees by opening the mouth by cross fingers. Then BBM, and the patient gag reflex, I will remove the OPA. Then another technique in inserting OPA is same, open the mouth by cross finger technique and 90 degrees. We'll open the mouth 90 degrees. Patient has gag reflex remove the OPA.
Okay, mag-video. Ayaw mag-video, dito naman ako.
Ano phone mo? Okay na yan? Ayun na pala, ikaw na pala eh. Ikaw? Saan na pala? Send mo na rin dito mo. Send mo ha? Cut mo na lang. Cut mo, para...
Yung mga kanya?
The patient has it.
Cut mo, para nag-iisa tayo.
With a sternum rub, check for gag reflex. Check the brow. And then a pinch to the neck. Still no response. Then the patient is unconscious with no gag reflex. That is an indication for the OPA. The contradiction would be if he was conscious or has have trauma. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside and putting it to corner of my mouth towards the beard. We have one here, this is the correct side. So we're going to open the patient's airway by using the cross finger technique. So we're going to open this. We're going to insert the OPA at 130. So we'll go in here. And then and if the patient presents with a gag reflex, we will release this by following the path. Okay, so there's other method, is the 90-degree method. This one, we do the cross finger opening on the ear. And then we're going to come in from the side. And now, if the patient becomes conscious and has a gag reflex, we will remove it after, of course, we thank all of you.
Okay? Yeah, but next. Go.
First, can you remove your glove? First, I'm gonna do assessment of the patient. Sir? You know me, sir? Conscious of zero. The next one is the cardiac assessment. So, first, your sternum. The next part is the cardiac muscle. Then the next one is here guard. Since the patient hindi siya the patient has no First, kukunin ko yung OPA for sighting. From one of the mouth, from side down to the earlobe, and one of how we're gonna get this, the 180 first, you open ko yung kanyang bibig. Sir, i-open ko yung bibig ninyo. Gamit ang bibig ko. Then insert in 180. After the turn, I think nagpalita siya ng indication na bumalik yung garbage section ng soil. I think bumalik yung okay, the next one here is yung so same procedure, i-open yung bibig niya gamit yung cross finger technique. Okay, stop it. And then i-insert yung positive and turn. Then since naging for sa conclusion na meron siyang garbage section. Next go.
There you go.
Itong ginagawa natin, di ba? Isang way din para pag-open ng airway. Tapos, yung isa pang technique yung red chin ring. Meron ba? Meron? Edit mo. Putol-putol. Ay, hindi na. Lalo pag nakita mo may block na. Hindi ka naman Titik mo ba? Wala dati, pati yung rin pati yung yellow, kahit green, tatak mo. Side. Nakarecord. Pwede mo kitang-kita din. Hindi ka papasa ni Medic 1 daw to, pero go.
PSI. Then check the patient.
Nagkatuhon kayo sa blog na?
Yes, sir.
Nagkatuhon kayo. Sabi ba di ba kanina may mag-spray? Yung hawak kayo sa kapila.
Okay, PSI. Check the patient. The KKs are okay. So the patient is unconscious. I am going to insert a regular blood. Check for the blood report.
Ako na nag-check.
If the patient has positive blood so open the mouth of the patient. You take
Matandaan natin na habang sila, dinigilid ko habang magulang ikutin. Habang pinapasok mo kayo, dinigilid mo na.
So, open the mouth right.
Hold mo na ha, hold mo na.
Yung gloves na.
Huwag na kayo nag-gloves yung tapos na.
Balik mo na lang. and then inflammation. So, overall, ayun, sorry,
Dan kayo. Nakaano ka rin ba? Yung mode?
Oo. Yung apartment.
Lahat nakikita ko. Kaya natatawa ko minsan. Ay, laptop kasi. Lahat nakikita ko. Kaya minsan natatawa ko.
Eh, minsan dalawa yung nasa screen ko. Tawa ko dalawa. Wala naman yung chat. Wala. Ano kailangan?
Tapos na rin. Ito na lang yata. Ay, hindi si Ma'am Jordan.
Ayan. And then, apply mo na yung DBA. Tapos, ang programa ko naman yan is, nangilirin ako sa downward. Tapos, ang other thing yung DBA, dahil yung panang nangilirin ko. Ano sa left? Insert mo sa tapos, learning like
Go. Indication contra.
Contraindication. Patient is conscious and with sub-reflex. Patient is unconscious and without sub-reflex.
Contra.
Contraindication. Patient is conscious, sub-reflex is intact. And then I open the mouth.
Di mo yung mabuksan. Di mo yung open. Nagyon dito. Yan. Push mo yung aking dito sa baba yung thumb. Yung index mo, lagyan mo sa taas. Yan. Nakasuan mo sa akin. Ganito. Yan. Di ba ako muna kayo sa nila? Itulak mo dito, hinihilang mo. Tapos itulak mo sa akin.
Pero mas madali yung time.
Okay. Good. Tulak.
Ito siya, 180 degrees.
Dog.
And then I will pull out the other technique is the 90 degree.
Oo. At saka mabilis lang eh.
Next. Huwag kayo matakot sa left sa deep throat. Sanito sa deep throat. Kailang ba sa deep throat din eh.
Kaya tawang-tawa siya.
Sa deep throat. Wala
Walang tumatawa siya, tapos tawa ng tawa.
Truth pala.
Sige ka. Ano yung ma-disrupt yung
Pinaduduwal-duwal.
Then, check the consciousness of patient. Just and test to the eyebrow. Then, the muscle. Then, the patient is understanding without no reflex. Then, pati natin yung o pa nagagawin wala ka sabi mo use the cross finger technique indication the indication the patient unresponsive and no reflex the contraindication patient is intact the reflex then apply the cross finger technique. Open the mouth. To open the mouth. Okay. Then use the 180 then apply BPM for the oxygen. Then to remove this. Sunod lang yung opa. Then use another technique for inserting the opa is 90 degrees. Then cross finger again. Cross finger technique. Then to remove this. Sunod lang ulit yung pwede ng opa. Next. Alright. Tawag nyo na hawakan yung dulo ha. Ano mo na? Go. Tayo na mag-aayos ng aerodynamic. Then, check yung response ng patient. Hey, are you okay? Yung patient ko unresponsive mo. Then, try ko natin check yung reflex. Dandahan na. Kasi ka-counter. First ko yung turning nerve natin. Tapos yung eyebrow. Try ko lang sa neck muscle po. Bali yung patient ko, unconscious at saka walang gagawin steps po. Bali mag-apply tayo ng OPA. First po, ang gagawin natin at hiking po. From the corner of the mouth to the window po. Same place po. Then, open natin yung mouth ng patient po. Cross fingers. Bali yung indications po ng OPA is for unconscious patients at saka wala akong gagawin steps. Yung contraindications naman po yung for conscious patients po, saka yung mga may gagawin po. So, open po ako ng motivation. Using the cross finger technique. Nagilid ka. Hindi mo makuha yan. Nagilid. Tapos, balik sa'yo gawin mo. Yung hindi sa taas. Yan. Ito yan. Yan. Ganyan. Lalaking lang. Oo. Yan. Kaya tayo po siya. Awan yung Sabi patient po, may gagawin na po. Huwag na natin ng OPA po. Then, the next method, one second method po is the 90 degrees po. First po ulit, open po natin yung mouth. Isa din na mo. Yan. Side. Pag-ibigin po, may gagawin na po. Huwag na natin. Kaya nga sir eh.
Sir, makapagpapalipan niya eh.
Tama isip na mo.
nakuha na yung mga OPA, yung bigay ito mga iba, bigay nyo na yung ang mga then, bumunta ng OPA, first yung open na mouth, gamit ang cross finger technique. Start pass the OPA. Ilan? 180. Oo. Naman na. And basic BBM. And then meron ng sasam. Huwag nang balik ko is going down. 90. And gusto kong psychotics naman yung 90 degree. Kasi naman sa mga yung gamit pa rin yung cross finger technique para yung mouth. Okay na mouth. Cross finger technique. Mag-guide sa right. So, yung OPA. 90 degree. Very down slowly. And with that. Then, magbalik na yung electric na gradient. Okay na siya. Slowly down. Good. Meron pa? Meron pa ba? Wala na?
Ulit na, ulit lahat, ha? Ulit lahat, ulit.
Lahat na ba siya?
Ulit na, ulit.
Okay. So, tandaan ninyo lagi ha, yung ating, guys, nakinig kayo dito. So, tandaan nyo lagi, gagamitin nyo lang yung 90 degrees